All right, guys, listen, I want to talk to you about something. You know that I'm a person who's very passionate about quality things. Like when I come across something that I like and I come across something that works for me, I tell you about it. So I want to talk to you about RVs because I've had really, really good and really, really bad experience with RVs because most RVs on the market are built, I'm pretty sure they just use cardboard. So I've always been reluctant to get like a fifth wheel or a toy hauler or a travel trailer simply because I want the fit and finish of like the nice coaches and the Class A motorhomes. Well, I found the best of both worlds. This right here is a Grand Design RV. It's a toy hauler. It's got a 15-foot garage and it's built nice. That's the best way to put it. Like, it's just built really well. Everything about this RV just works. It's simple, everything's push button. There's not like 19 different switches all over inside there to hit your slides and you don't know which slide to put in or which slide. Everything's on a touchscreen panel. It fits a 4-seat RZR in the back. It's got a back patio that folds down, sliding doors, 3 AC units, awnings. I'm telling you, I am so freaking pumped to take this thing out and go camping. Now listen, full disclosure, I haven't had a chance to go out and camp in it. I haven't put my family in it yet. I haven't even really towed it that much. So I'm not gonna give you my full breakdown, my full review right now, but I promise I will once I get a chance to put some miles in this thing. But first opinion, first take, this is the nicest RV on the market. And I am legitimately excited to see what we can do with this thing. So stay tuned.